loves romaine lettuce. His absolute favorite. Oh, get this around here. I don't want you to get my fingers. Here we go. I love watching him eat. It is so awesome. Chomp, chomp, chomp. I have these sheep. No, I sold my sheep. I have these goats making all this noise in the background. But you can hear Scooter chomping. Hey, Scooter Phoenix. Oh, that's good. That is so good. Look at that mouth. Okay. Can you see his tongue? Look at this tongue. Get it out. Oh, yeah. Oh, yummy, yummy. He has a whole bale of Timothy hay and a whole bale of grass hay over here. He acts like he's starving to death. I don't think you're starving. I don't think you're starving. But boy, that's good stuff. Boy, that's good stuff. Oh, look at those bites. Take a breath. Take a breath. Okay, here we go. There's some more. We have plenty. Oh, that's good. Oh, that's good. You're such a pretty fella. From the side, that head and neck looks like a snake, doesn't it? Oh, you gonna take a breath? Did you hear him sigh right then? He did a big old sigh. Okay. Getting down to get some good stuff in there, aren't you? Okay, I'm gonna put it right over here so you can get a better look at him. Oh, there's some. Oh yeah. I think that was a big old burp. Is that a big old burp, Scooter? They do make noise. I didn't really know how much noise they actually made until I had him in my house for, 2 or 3 weeks, because it was so cold outside. But here's some more, baby. Here you go, baby, right here. There. Oh, yeah. He's just attacking that. It doesn't matter if he has just eaten a huge amount. If I bring out some romaine lettuce, he's gonna eat the whole thing. He absolutely loves romaine lettuce. Me too. It's pretty good. Are you getting it? Are you getting it, boy? You hear that? That was a big breath. Take a breath in between bites. That's a donkey you're hearing. And I have a chicken over here making a little bit of noise. I'd pick that up, but I think you'd get my finger. What I was saying is I didn't realize I made so much noise, but they actually do. I would hear him when he was inside, when it was so cold outside. All of a sudden hear this noise. I had him in my dining room area. Yeah, take a breath. Take a breath. Oh, look at that face. Look at that face. But he would actually, he'd make noise when he was trying to move around. He would vocalize, which is just really cool. I had no idea that they would talk to you. Oh, look at that muscular neck. Oh, did I scare you? Sorry. This is a big stalk of romaine, isn't it? Are you getting tired? He slowed down just a little bit. Well, I'm not going to take it from you. You can have all of it. I'm going to show you his carapace. Little lighter right through here. He's been inside because we've had some cold days, so he stayed in his house. And I have a heater that blows out warm air, and it's really dried his carapace out. He has to be oiled down once or twice a week, but that heat certainly dries that out. So I'm going to put some oil. I have coconut oil is what I use. You still going after it there? Chickens haven't been fed yet, so they can hear me over here. Yeah, I know you want food, guys. I'll get you food here in a minute. This is just too much fun to watch. Here, let's move. I'll move that for you. How's that? So that is Scooter absolutely demolishing a stalk of romaine lettuce. And he's going to finish the whole thing up. He will not leave any there. He's going to finish it up. I've never seen him leave even a bite of it. He absolutely adores romaine. I don't blame you, big boy. I don't blame you.